Elon Musk is doing it again. What's going on, guys? It's Ricky. And yes, Tesla stock has nosedived in the past 5 trading days. It has lost over 13% of its value. Now, this can get dramatically worse if you know what's about to be reported. But if you don't, let me go ahead and just break it down for you guys. For those that haven't seen the recent price change in Tesla, Tesla just 5 days ago was trading at highs of $359 per share. In my opinion, it was incredibly overvalued. Fundamentally, Tesla is not a company that is growing year over year, but there is a lot of hype with the robo-taxi event, and that's what drove the price up. Then again, that hype ends up fading when fundamentals begin to kick in. Tesla has been selling off since then and today hit lows of $310 per share. But why? Why is Tesla selling off so much? Well, there's 2 things I think that you should know. First, let's talk about the fundamentals. Well, Tesla is set to actually report deliveries on Wednesday, and based off of those deliveries, if they come in above or below, will determine if Tesla stock begins to recover or, yes, continues to sell off. The second thing that you should understand is that Elon Musk is doing it again. He's going on X.com and he's openly talking trash on both political parties. Now, I'm not here to say that I don't agree with him, but we know that, again, Tesla and a lot of Tesla investors do not want this kind of attention any longer, because the last time that Tesla did this, again, going on the Moomoo trading application, you could see that last time he did this and he started butting heads with Donald Trump, it nosedived to lows of $273 per share before it began to actually recover. So you guys let me know down in the comment section what you think. Do you think that Elon Musk is wrong for calling out these politicians that campaigned to reduce our deficit? But again, they're doing the opposite by voting to pass the big, beautiful bill that could potentially add over $5 trillion to our current $37 trillion in deficit. One of the things that I've been testing myself is this MACD strategy. It's actually an algo setup that Mumu offers. I haven't seen it actually be offered in any other trading application. So again, if you're a beginner and you're just getting started, this might actually be too advanced for you. But if you're someone that is trying to level up from that beginner platform, then you might want to listen up. The really cool thing about Mumu is that not only does it allow you to create your own actual strategy if you want to, but they also have default ones set up like this MACD strategy, and it explains to you and breaks it down step by step. Not only can you trade using this strategy, but you could actually back test it. So I can actually select the stock. So just like we talked about today, Tesla, I select the capital, 10,000. I move on to the next. It runs every 1 hour. I make sure that I'm okay with the parameters. I click run strategy, and it will actually allow me to back test this strategy that is now offered on Mumu. Not only do they offer you an insane sign-up bonus if you have an initial deposit of $100 to $5,000, but listen up, they also offer up to 8.1% APY for any uninvested cash, meaning that if you fund your account $5,000, but because you're a beginner, maybe you only want to trade with $1,000, those $4,000 that are uninvested, they will still earn 8.1% APY. And this is unheard of, especially if you are familiar with what the market standard is, anywhere from 3 to 4%. But again, the 8.1% is only available for a limited time. So if you want to learn more about it, again, that first link in the description down below will allow you to sign up for Mumu right now. All right, and there we have it. A total of 14.3% based off of this back test with $10,000. It made me about $1,400, and it just triggered another buy signal. So again, as you continue to develop your own MACD strategy or just your own algorithm, you're actually able to back test the system before you actually implement it with real money. And again, if you want to learn more about it, it's the first link in the description down below. But again, I wanted to ask you guys, what do you think? Do you actually think that Tesla is going to exceed expectation for the number of deliveries that are supposed to be reported on Wednesday? Or do you believe that once again, Tesla is going to come below estimates, causing the stock to sell off even further? Let me know down below. I really do appreciate you guys' time. I hope that earns a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.